In last video, we already learned about the line emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. Now, we will discuss about de Broglie equation, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and the quantum model of an atom. A scientist de Broglie proposed that a matter has a dual behavior. A dual behavior means the matter can behave a particle as well as waves. Here, an electron also shows a dual behavior. Means electron shows some particle properties as well as some wave properties. That is, the properties like a momentum is a particle property which is shown by an electron, while a wavelength is a wave property, wave characteristics are shown by an electron, and hence electron shows a dual behavior. A de Broglie gives the relationship between a wavelength denoted by lambda and a momentum denoted by P. Here wavelength is the wave property while momentum is a particle property, and this de Broglie gives a relationship between this wavelength as well as a momentum of electron. We know that a wavelength lambda is equal to a Planck's constant h divided by a mass into velocity. This is equation number first. This equation gives a relationship between Planck's constant, mass as well as a velocity of an electron. A mass into velocity is equal to momentum. A product of mass and velocity is a momentum denoted by P. And hence, the equation becomes, if we put the values of mass and velocity as a momentum, wavelength lambda is equal to h upon P. This equation is called as de Broglie equation. Equation which gives a relationship between wavelength as well as a momentum. This momentum is inversely related with the wavelength. This equation is called as a de Broglie equation. The second subunit, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. In atomic model or in atomic structure, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. That is, electron have its specific velocity. It continuously moves around the nucleus, and hence it is impossible to determine the exact velocity as well as a momentum of electron at the same time. We cannot determine the velocity as well as a momentum of electron simultaneously. This is called as uncertainty, and the principle can be stated as it is impossible to determine exact position and momentum of electron simultaneously. We cannot determine the exact location as well as exact momentum of electron at same time. Suppose this is a revolving electrons. It has its speed rotate around the nucleus. Suppose this is its location or position. At the same time, we cannot determine the exact location as well as the momentum of electron simultaneously. In other words, we can say that when the determination of momentum becomes certain, suppose we can accurately determine the momentum of electron at the same time, there will be large uncertainty in the location or position of electron. That is, we can determine either position or momentum of electron exactly at a given time. This uncertainty will shown by an equation. Delta X into delta P is equal to Planck's constant H upon 4 pi. Delta X, a change in location. Delta P, change in a momentum. This delta X into delta P is either equal to or greater than H upon 4 pi. This momentum can be written as delta X into delta. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Is either greater than or equal to this factor H upon 4 pi. In simple manner, equation can be written like that: delta X into delta Vx is greater than or equal to H upon 4 pi, where delta X uncertainty in a location and delta Vx uncertainty in a momentum. This equation is Heisenberg uncertainty principle equation. In short, we can say that it is impossible to determine the exact position and momentum of electron simultaneously. Schrödinger equation. In 1926, a new branch called as a quantum mechanics was developed. Quantum mechanics, a new branch of science, was developed by two scientists. The scientists are Heisenberg as well as Schrödinger. The Heisenberg gives uncertainty in a momentum and uncertainty in the location of an electron. This Schrödinger gives a wave property of an electron to develop this quantum mechanics. That is, Heisenberg and Schrödinger develops a quantum mechanics on the principle of uncertainty as well as a wave motion respectively. This Schrödinger developed the fundamental quantum mechanical equation. That is, a quantum mechanical equation was derived by a Schrödinger. Equation can be written as a caret capital H is equal to E psi. The Schrödinger equation can be written as caret H psi is equal to E psi. There are three different terms. A first term, or in this equation, a caret, a capital H is nothing but it is a mathematical operator called as a Hamilton. A mathematical operator called as a Hamilton, where psi is a wave function and capital E a energy of an electron. Capital E, energy of electron. A psi is the wave function and caret H is equal to a mathematical operator known as a Hamilton. This equation is known as a Schrödinger equation. आता आपल्या 11th क्लासमध्ये फक्त आणि फक्त एवढं इक्वेशन आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. Its derivation, its application are not included in 11th class chemistry syllabus. This Schrödinger developed a fundamental mathematical equation known as the Schrödinger equation, and this equation is like that. Okay. When this equation is solved, or after solving the Schrödinger equation, three sets of quantum numbers are arises. Okay, after solving this equation, three sets of quantum numbers are arises, and these quantum numbers are characteristics of quantized energy level and a corresponding wave function. That is, after solving this Schrödinger equation, three or a single set of three quantum number are arises. These quantum numbers are characteristics of quantized energy level and a corresponding wave functions. A set of quantum numbers, three quantum numbers. Out of this, the first one is a principal quantum number, denoted by small n. A second one, azimuthal quantum number, denoted by small n. And third quantum number is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number denoted by m suffix I. That is, after solving this Schrödinger equation, a set of three quantum number arises. These quantum numbers have a characteristics, quantum energy level, as well as they have a corresponding wave functions. Okay, these three sets of quantum numbers arises after solving this equation. And this a set of quantum numbers are essential, are very, very important to explain the structure of an atom. Okay.